Muscle testing. Hey, you guys, it's Constance here. So muscle testing is all about programming your subconscious mind. So what you guys are going to do is I want you to stand, and I want you to feel it from your ankles. You can keep your eyes open. You can close your eyes. But what I want you to do is sense the energy as if you're a 2x4 and you're in your body, right? And so you're standing. And what you're going to do is you're going to program the mind. So forward is a yes without falling, and backwards is a no without falling. Okay? Right from the ankles. Forward yes, backwards no. So it takes about 3 times for the brain to program. Forward yes, backwards no, forward yes, backwards no. All right. So once you program your subconscious, what you're going to do is you're going to test it. So I'd like you to just think your name. You could go, is my name Connie? Kind of relax the body. Allow the body just to move by itself. Okay? Is my name Tom? Again, relax the body. Let it move by itself. So you can test this as much as you want. And you're going to keep testing it until every single time the answer is accurate. So with accuracy, though, what I want you guys to really concentrate on is also the wording that you guys are going to use. Because if I seen a man going down the street, and let's say he's bald, and I say in muscle test, does that man have hair on his head? Chances are my body's going to go yes. The reason is he might have facial hair, he might have eyebrows. Literally, that's hair on his head, because head is, neck up kind of thing. So muscle testing, there are different ways to do it. And mostly what you have to do is keep testing until every single time is accurate. Every single time is the same. You get the same answer every single time. Now, another way to muscle test for yourself is some people like a finger. And so what you do is you lock your fingers, and solid is a yes. So yes, yes, yes. And then no, no, no. Solid yes, let go no. Is my name Constance? Is my name Tim? Is my name Jack? Is my name Sue? Test it. So just keep testing. You can do this with vitamins. Vitamins are a very good way to test. Do I need these today? Just remember to relax the body. I like also doing sitting in a chair. I can sit kind of on my tailbone. Forward yes, backwards no. And so same thing as standing with the body pendulum, but either way works. The other way that I like doing is with my husband and I, we use a piece of paper. So what we do is we write down on a piece of paper yes and no. So we have 2 pieces of paper, and one is a yes, one is a no. So what we do is we take those papers, we put them behind our back, and then we get to pick a hand. Because really, you can subconsciously choose and then kind of make it predictable. So I could control it if I want to. So when I do it for my family, we do it a little different than just muscle testing yes and no, because it matters sometimes. And when it matters, we can get in the way, and our ego gets in the way. When my daughter was growing up, she wanted to go out and party. And so, 14, 15, and to me that was too young. And of course, all I cared about was her safety. And so what I used to have her do was write down the question first. Don't tell it to me. Write it down. Tell me when she's ready. And then I would muscle test. And then the deal was, whichever answer it was, we both had to listen to, no matter what. It was amazing how many times she actually got the answer, because of course she could also write it backwards. So then I'd say no, which meant that she could actually go somewhere. So All I cared about was her safety, but it sure created an easy time raising a teenager when I trusted it. And you guys have to trust it. You have to test it enough to trust it. Love you guys. Have fun muscle testing. I think everybody should know how to muscle test. Saves you time, saves you money. You get accuracy once you get good at it. And then the only importance after this is what question you're asking. Talk to you soon.